Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of November 19th, 2021. Here are some upcoming events. Monday, November 22nd through Friday, November 26th is Thanksgiving break. Have a wonderful, restful break. The elementary report cards will be distributed on December 3rd. The elementary holiday shop will be December 6th to 10th. Please email me if you can volunteer to help at the shop. Tuesday, December 7th at 4:30 p.m. will be our Google Meets elementary training on understanding your child's report card, progress monitoring, and ESOL. I will email the link to virtually attend to parents. Wellness Week at the elementary campus will begin on December 13th. Winter break is from December 23rd through January 4th. Here's a message from our administration.
Hi, PBMA families. It's Mrs. Smith, the elementary school principal. I want to apologize for the confusion about report cards. Instead of going home on the 18th, they're now going to go home on December the 3rd. We have also rescheduled our parent training till December 7th, 4:30, and that will be virtual. I hope to see you all there.
All right, guys. It's Mr. Anderpont here. I have to talk to you about that car line at the middle high school campus. At this point in the school year, you guys know where the car line starts. We have people that are constantly cutting, jumping in front of people. Please do not do that. Be adults. Understand that people get to the line like an hour or so before school actually ends. It is not fair that they sit there and have vans and cars and everything else jumping in front of them. Let's do this right. Let's do it together. Have some patience. And please, do not skip. Do not let anyone jump in front of you. And do not speed. Have a good day.
Parents, this is Cap once again. And I just have one quick reminder. I need your help. We want to make sure that our students are here on time every day. We have some students that are arriving late, and we need for everyone to be here on time every day. Thank you once again for your support.
The elementary school has received its order of brand new desks and chairs. Our students and teachers are very excited. The Miami Lighthouse came to our secondary campus and gave free eye exams to many of our students. They will return with glasses for the students that need them. The elementary parents can still sign up their child if they haven't done so. And once we have enough students signed up, they will return. Please sign up if you haven't already. If you received an email from me regarding free and reduced lunch application, that means you did not complete an application for your student. Please fill out the application even if you think your family does not qualify. Your student can qualify for many free services, and the school receives funding for additional staff and additional materials based upon these forms. Nurse Bobby is asking parents to please return clothes to the clinic if they are borrowed by students that had to change their clothes. Also, she's happy to take donations of your child's outgrown uniform clothes. Ms. Trish visited 4th grade to teach about the states of matter. Students made slime. Slime is created by a chemical reaction, and it displays properties of both liquids and solids. Secondary students went shark tagging with the University of Miami. Let's hear all about it.
I'm McKenna and I'm in middle school. We went shark tagging in Key Biscayne and we saw a great hammerhead and a tiger shark, and we didn't get to tag the great hammerhead because that's only like what they do because they're endangered. And then the tiger shark, it was humongous, so we had to stand back, but we still got to witness it, and it was really cool. But after that, we got a pretty small, I want to say sharp nose shark, and it was really tired, so we didn't get to tag it, so we just let it go. I had a really great time, though. I would definitely go again.
My name is Josiah. I'm in 7th grade. It was really fun There was a lot of cool sharks, and I would definitely go again.
Both campuses created gratitude trees for the Thanksgiving holiday. Ms. Bralo's second graders were taught a lesson about the Holocaust by using the Dr. Seuss story, The Sneetches. The message taken from this lesson is we all shine bright. The class created hats that were made after the students wrote about differences in people, acceptance, problems, and solutions. This past week, our second graders visited Sandaway Discovery Center. The students had a wonderful time learning about coral reefs. They made shark-tooth necklaces, and they got to eat at a fabulous brand new playground. And finally, here are pictures of students celebrating the first trimester awards. Please like Palm Beach Maritime Academy on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.